Hey family, today I'm going to try my hand at something new. I had more peppers than I know what to do with. I still have more. So today I am going to attempt to try my hand at some pepper jelly, which I am excited about. I've been looking at videos on YouTube University. Of course, I've looked in my ball book as well. So I'm going to use a recipe for one of the videos that I watched. And I'm going to see how that turns out. So basically, I have 4 cups of peppers. Let me get that. Bring you down here. See what we got here. Okay. Alright. So I have 4 cups of peppers. It was a combination of some two large green bell peppers, some small Marconis. Marconis are not that big. Let's see if I can find one. They're usually running about this size. This is a Marconi. They are a sweet pepper. So I did a few of those. And some jalapenos. So my jalapenos are small. So I did about 6 of these. But the bulk of the mixture is bell pepper, 2 large green bell peppers, and about 6 or 7 Marconis, and 6 small jalapenos, which I have some green jalapenos, but most of them turn orange or red. So that's what I have right here. And I'm going to put this in my pot. And this is 4 cups. Again, this is new. I expect it to come out well. This is part of my intentionality. So sometimes we grow a lot of vegetables and fruits, and we have excess. Either we let it go bad or we don't know how to preserve it. I've known how to preserve stuff, but I just never did. Usually I would give it away. Most of the time I'm dehydrating or freezing. But this year I got a bumper crop of peppers and eggplant. So I have my peppers in. Alright. See if I can bring you guys closer if you can see. I don't know. Without moving my camera too much. So the peppers are in. Woo! And this is a cup of apple cider vinegar. 1 cup. Okay. I'm going to let that cook down a little bit while I stir it. And I have 1 pack of Sure Gel jelly that I'm going to put in, if I can find it. Trying to come to start the video once I had everything prepared, just for the sake of time. So this is 1 pack of Sure Gel regular, and in this bowl here, this is 5 cups of sugar. So that's 4 cups of peppers, a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 5 cups of sugar. The peppers are starting to boil. Here's my 1 pack of Sure Gel pectin. I'm going to add the pectin, and this is 1 full pack. And I'm just going to stir this and let it come to a boil. Just make sure all the pectin is dissolved. Ugh, there's something about the smell of vinegar that I love. Always have been a vinegar lover. So get this up. Turn that up just a little bit more. And I already have, out of the camera view, I have my jars and I have my lids that have been heating up to get those ready for filling once everything is done. All right. Okay, so the peppers, vinegar, and pectin have come to a boil. It's boiling. So I'm going to add my sugar. This is 5 cups of sugar. And I'm just going to stir. Wow. That's beautiful. That slowed that boil down a little bit, but I just want to make sure I keep it boiling. Make sure that all of the sugar dissolves. Oh, that looks nice. The colors. I'm pretty sure I will be making more of this. I let my family know that I was planning on making some pepper jelly, and they were excited. Everybody wants a jar. So, when this turns out wonderful and everybody loves it, I could put those other peppers to use and make more. Beautiful. This is beautiful. Alrighty. Want to get it back up to a boil. Adding that sugar really slowed it down a little bit. And I still have a few granules, sugar granules on the side that I'm seeing that's not dissolved. So we want to definitely make sure we get that up to a boil. Turn that up on high. Beautiful. I hope I have enough jars. I only sterilized 4 of them. But of course I can always do one more. So we're going to let this come to a boil and just keep stirring. So as you can see, the peppers are at a roaring boil. And as I continue to stir, I'm going to let this boil for 1 minute. Oh wow. Whoa, I might have it up too high. High might be too high. Oh. See what happens when you're not prepared? Let me pull my sleeves down. I don't want to. Oh, some of that popped on my finger. And let me tell you, it smells good. Tastes good and smells good. Wow. Alright. Turn that down. It's doing its thing, guys. Okay, here we go. So I was trying to find the right position, and of course I'm not as prepared as I thought I was, but this looks delicious. Smells delicious. Although I have some concerns because to me it just looks like it is so runny, but I guess as it sits up, I'm pretty sure it will solidify. So let me get this over, move this over here, and get this here. I think I'm going to need more jars, but it's looking beautiful. And again, it tastes delicious. Oh, when some of it popped up on me while it was boiling. So I'm already excited about another accomplishment in my journey of being more intentional about my preservation, as we all should, especially if we put so much time into our garden and babying everything and making sure everything is good and watered and fertilized and keeping the bugs off of them. Alrighty, so yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more jars. I'm thinking 4 more. So while I get these filled, I will show you the end results. So let me go ahead and get these ones filled that I have already ready, and get these in the can. I'm just going to use the water that I have that I sterilize. I'm not getting anything else. I need as less dishes as I can have that I have to deal with. Alrighty, so I only did 4. Alright, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so I have already put the lids on the ones that I have, and my other ones I had to get additional glasses, additional cans. So I have those in the canner, making sure that they are getting sterilized as they should. And so far it looks like I have 4 now. Look at that. Can't see it that good, but that's beautiful. So I have 4, and I have 7 additional glasses, although I might need to get another one. No, I think that'll be enough. What I have left, if I don't have enough, I have another little container that I can put it in that we can just eat out of. But yeah, it's looking good, guys. Alright, everything has been processed. I end up having 7 8-ounce jars, and just for the record, it is delicious. So I processed these for 10 minutes, just pouring the water off. And it seemed a little bit that was left in the pot gelled up nicely. So I'm confident that this will gel up as well. But guys, I think this is my first time having pepper jelly. I'm sure, because I would have remembered if I had had this. And I always try to try something different and new. I want those peppers to be distributed evenly throughout the jelly and not just, you know, sit on the top. But I am so excited and happy with the way things turned out. I really am. And this is definitely going to be a staple from now on. I'm just thinking of the things I can do, what I can make jelly out of, and looking in the ball canning jar. There are so many things that can be done that in my mind I would never put together. The only thing that I did not add to this jelly that the recipe said in the ball canning jar was garlic, which I have plenty of from my garden, but I just didn't feel like you know, cutting it up or getting it out. But I have some frozen, but I don't even think this needs it. And I'm telling you guys, this is absolutely delicious. I am so happy that I did this. So this is what I had mine on. I had some cream cheese and whatever the little bit that was left. And I also had some and put some in an older what's this, jelly jar. So we'll see and make sure it sets. I'm pretty sure it will. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you've never made pepper jelly and you were thinking about it, I'm saying go for it. It's a winner. It is definitely a winner. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.